How to make your balls strong. Having a strong balls is a pure indication of a healthy penis. The testes are responsible to produce testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, and sperm production. Follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Quit these jobs. 1. Avoid smoking. This ultimately cause decreased blood flow to the genitals and has a high risk of erectile dysfunction. 2. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Consuming it in a large amount adversely affects a guy's sperm quality and could lead to infertility. 3. Avoid guzzling soda. Avoid soft drinks. Eating or drinking too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your cells are unable to take glucose from your blood and use it for energy. This can lead to inflammation, which can hinder how your sperm moves, the researchers say. Step 2. Consuming these food would help the sperm production and its quality. 1. Spinach. These are rich in folate. Folic acid plays a vital role in male sexual function. 2. Apples. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. That's actually true. 3. Carrots and avocados. These veggies may improve both sperm count and its motility due to the presence of carotenoids, the orange pigments. 4. And also, the food rich in antioxidants, such as raisins, berries, broccoli, and sprouts. Step 3. Be aware of techies. 1. Avoid placing laptops on your lap for a longer period of time. This would increase the heat in the body. That would affect the testis and sperm production. 2. Recent research proves that the radio frequency of the electromagnetic spectrum that's emitted by the mobile phones adversely affects both sperm motility and viability. Avoid placing them in your pockets, always. 3. Avoid wearing briefs. These actually prevents the air supply to your genitals. That leads to excess heat and sweat, which kills the sperm production. 4. Avoid stress. Stress reduces the hormones such as cortisol. That's linked with the sex hormones, which play an important role in sperm productions. Following these collectively could help you to overcome this issue. And last and final step: like and subscribe. I'm here to help you. Love you all.